Hi everyone, been a really long time since I posted the last video, not anything since the dyno session. Um, so quick update on stuff. The car's now back at the new house and I've been doing loads of work on it. It is now actually ready for its MOT and it was meant to go today but I ran into some problems. Barely made it out of my street and broke down. Um, as it turned out, it was a really simple wiring issue. The wiring issue is now fixed, but I missed my MOT slot. I have to say big thanks go out to the guys at the garage. They actually came out and took the car back up to the house for me, so I could work on it there rather than having to walk back up to the house, get some tools, and try and work on it in the street. So I did have the GoPros on because I was hoping to do a better video for you today than this one. So I'm going to put the clips in from the GoPro now that sort of show what went wrong. I'll follow up again soon with a proper update on the car, showing what the bodywork and so forth looks like, and go from there. Cheers, guys.